Hello everyone! Ang tutorial topic ko ngayon is all about adding whole numbers and mixed numbers. But before we start, aalamin muna natin ano ba ang mixed numbers. Ang mixed numbers ay combination ng whole number at saka fraction. Example, meron ako ditong 23 is a whole number and 1/2. Ito ay isang halimbawa ng mixed numbers, combination of a whole number and a fraction. Kaya tinatawag na mixed numbers. So, i-add natin ito sa whole numbers. Plus 6 equals. Okay. So, ito yung ating gagawin. I-add natin ang mixed numbers at saka yung whole numbers. So, simple lamang po. Pag nag-a-add tayo ng whole number at mixed numbers, ang una nating gagawin is i-add muna natin yung ating whole numbers. So, ito yon. 23 plus 6 plus 1/2 equals. So, uunahin muna natin i-add ang ating whole numbers. 23 plus 6 equals 29. And then, kopyahin lamang natin yung ating fraction. So, ito po yung final answer. Napakasimpleng mag-add ng whole numbers at saka mixed numbers. Another example of whole number and mixed numbers. So, i-add natin. Add first the whole numbers. 3 plus 6 equals 9. And then, you copy the fraction. So, yun lamang po. 3 plus 6 and 7 over 8 equals 9 and 7 over 8. Another example of whole numbers and mixed numbers ay first, i-add natin yung ating mga whole numbers. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 8 is 19. Then, huwag kalimutang kopyahin ang ating fraction. Titingnan mo yung fraction, kung kailangan siyang i-reduce sa lowest term, kailangan mong i-simplify. Okay, last example of adding whole numbers and mixed numbers. So, meron ako ditong 9 and 3/9 plus 13 plus 15. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, unahin nating i-add ang mga whole numbers. So, 9 plus 13 equals 22. Plus 15 equals 37. And then, kopyahin lamang yung ating fractions. Then, titingnan natin kung yung fractions natin ay naka-lowest term na ba. So, dito sa fraction na 3/9, hindi pa ito siya lowest term. So, kailangan nating hanapin ang GCF ng 3 at saka ng 9. So, ang GCF nila ay 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, yung final answer natin, kopyahin ang ating whole number, 37. And then, yung lowest term ng 3/9 ay 1/3. Yun lamang po kasimple ang pag-add ng whole numbers at saka mixed numbers.